Here we are in the Franklin Corporation showroom. Today we're here to show you about the Titan. It's a 500-pound chair, and we're going to show you all the benefits of this chair. So the Franklin Genius is going to explain it all. Watch and learn.
Okay, thank you all for joining us today in High Point, North Carolina. This is a cutaway sample of our Titan Recliner, which has a weight capacity of 500 pounds. So this is really great if someone needs to really enjoy a chair for a long term, who has some weight issues. And this is a really solid frame. It is, you can see here, our frame is built with computerized cutting. And this is going to strengthen the arm. This has got, again, our center bolt here. You've got a long stretcher for support. This particular recliner comes with extra layers of foam. You're gonna see our gel-infused foam right as the core to that, and then you're gonna see a firmer topper right here. So that's gonna absorb some of that weight, providing comfort and longevity. And you see that foam, gel-infused foam right here over the knee bend. And then of course you're coming back with the fiber right here under the ankles to give you that extra soft layer. Back here, you've got channeled fiber. So this is going to prevent any fiber migration. You see this fiber is going to stay up in the headrest. Then you're going to have a lumbar support here, and then your bottom support. So this is our virgin conjugate fiber, which you can see right in the back of that seat core. Virgin conjugate fiber is going to stay fluffier longer. And of course, it is the best fiber on the market. Now, the reason this chair is better than our other recliners is because it does have that weight capacity. If you look right down here at our mechanism, you'll see a seat box that gives you wonderful seat ride with sinuous wire springs. We've got coated tie wires to keep from squeaking. And then we have our extra duty base. Now, one cool thing about our chair with the weight capacity of 500 is that we offer it as a rocker base, and that is not standard in the market. Typically this weight capacity chair only comes as a wall saver, but we offer it with our mechanism, the ability to rock. So we hope you enjoy your Titan by Franklin. Okay, this is the back of a recliner at Franklin, and I'm just going to show you that zipper access we were talking about. You just uncover the back, and then right along the seat core, right here is an easy to access zipper. And this is in case you need to replace the seat core, which has a limited lifetime warranty. The next thing we want to talk about is going to be the Franklin Wow seating, what separates Franklin seat cores from everyone else. So this is an example of the Franklin gel-infused foam, okay? We manufacture this in Mississippi. We cut these for every seat core in our line, specifically to be identical from one to the next. So this core we stand behind with a lifetime warranty, and doing so, we have zipper access in every one of our seat cores, in our recliners, stationary furniture, or motion furniture. Now I'm here to talk a little bit about what is inside our cushion and inside our back on a Franklin motion or stationary group. The back cushions are always made with 100% virgin conjugate fiber. Now this fiber is crimped in our factory for resiliency, and so this will stay puffier longer. Now the greatest thing about our backs and the entire Franklin line is that we have zippered access to be able to fluff or replace fiber if you'd like to replace fiber in those cushions, or if you'd like to take the fiber out. Another really cool feature about Franklin back pillows is that we are channeled, and that means that our fiber will not migrate to the bottom of the pillow. The fiber will stay where it was initially placed, in the top, middle, or the bottom. It will not migrate down, so your pillows will stay fluffier longer.